Take the next step in quality management. Join our ISO 9001 e-workshop to master the skills needed to implement a robust quality management system. This e-workshop offers expert-led sessions from Dr. Mohamed-Ali Ibrahim, interactive learning activities and case studies, exclusive templates, checklists, and procedures, and a globally recognized ISO 9001 certified internal auditor certificate. Access a comprehensive toolkit with templates and resources to simplify QMS implementation and ensure ISO 9001 compliance. Prepare with scenario-based mock exams and practical exercises, ensuring you're ready for internal and external audits. Earn your ISO 9001 certified internal auditor certificate upon completion, validating your expertise in quality management. Why join this e-workshop? Build confidence in QMS design and implementation, learn from a globally recognized ISO expert, and apply tools and strategies for continuous improvement. Enroll today in the ISO 9001 e-workshop and gain the skills to drive quality excellence in your organization. Visit Academy, iqc-vienna.com to get started.